Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Lineage OS 18.1 which runs Android 11 on any of Moto G5 Plus device. So here you can see I have successfully installed Lineage OS 18.1 which runs Android 11 ROM. So let's continue our video and see how to install this one on your phone. Okay friends, first of all you need to back up everything on your phone storage before going to install any of custom ROM, and also you need to unlock your bootloader. Also you need to install TWRP recovery. If you didn't unlock it bootloader or didn't install it TWRP recovery on your Moto G5 Plus device, you can watch the tutorial which included the description of this video and unlock your bootloader and install TWRP recovery on your Moto G5 Plus device. So let's see, try to install this Lineage OS 18.1 on your Moto G5 Plus device. So I am going to turn off my phone. Here we have successfully turned off our phone. Now you need to click on your power button and also volume down key together until your bootloader will appear on this screen like this. Then you need to go to your recovery mode from here. Then you need to click your power button again to boot into your TWRP recovery. Now here we are on the recovery mode. Now you need to back up your internal storage, and also you need to back up your data and also use system partitions from backing up process. You can select everything on here and back up then to your external storage, I mean USB card. Here I'm not going to take a backup again because I have already taken backup of this current ROM. You can see it micro SD card from here, then press OK and save to backup your current ROM. After completing of backing up process, you can install your custom ROM. Before going to install a custom ROM, you need to wipe your internal storage with system partitions like this. Select the Dalvik cache, system cache and data partitions and zip to wipe. Use this option like this. Then it will format your everything on your phone, and also you need to do a format data option if you are going to install a custom ROM on first time on your phone. Then type yes here like this, then press enter key. It will format your internal storage too. That's why I already said it will format your internal storage. And also now you can install any of custom ROM. Now we are going to install my custom ROM, which is called Lineage OS 18.1 with Android 11. Now select your Lineage OS custom ROM and switch flash. Now your ROM will be flashed on your Moto G5 Plus device. Let's wait until completing of this process. Here we have successfully flashed our Lineage OS 18.1 ROM. Now I am going to reboot my phone. Now your device will be rebooted onto your new ROM which runs Android 11. In the process of booting, if your phone is booting again and again not boot into your new ROM, there's a problem of installation of ROM. So you need to use that wipe data option, which I have already used it in typing yes on that recovery screen. I think you can remember it. Then you need to do it. After that your booting process will be okay. Now here we have successfully installed Lineage OS 18.1. Now I am going to complete this account setup. That's all. We have successfully installed this Lineage OS 18.1 on our phone, but this is unofficial ROM, but it doesn't have any of errors on installation process or on using process. This is awesome ROM. I have experience with this ROM, so you can use this ROM to try to place this on your phone and get a new experience to your old Moto G5 Plus device. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.